Okay, for this test I've made a stack of 3 saturable inductors. You see there, 1, 2, 3. They're all wound. There's 5 turns on each one sequentially, and they're connected across the delayed coil. You see there, so that's the FET drive there. So the pulse then goes through the saturable inductors through the coil and back to the diode and the supply. That's the supply end. So basically I did try the saturable inductor in parallel with the coil and in parallel with the diode, but I didn't get anything at all. So I had to put the saturable inductor in series with the coil, with the diode across one end of the coil and one end of the saturable inductor. Anyway, I'm going to do a sweep now. Both coils of the Bifilar are being driven separately with separate power supplies. They're both set to 30 volts. The master frequency is 1.039 kHz and the pulse width is 32 nanoseconds. And I'm going to do a sweep now. The scope is 20 volts per division and 100 nanoseconds time base. 40 nanoseconds. 60 nanoseconds. 80 nanoseconds. 100. 120. 140. 160. 180. 200. 220. 240. 260. 280. 300 nanoseconds. 320. 340. 360. 380. 400. 420. 440. 460. 480. I'm going to stop it there. I'm going to go back down to where the pulse was the biggest. There, I'd say there. That's I'll go down a bit more and just see if it does get any bigger actually. it's getting smaller. Okay, let's go back up, just look for that sweet spot. Right, I would say it's about there. So we're at 274.75 nanoseconds, and the pulse is 20, 40, 60, I don't know, 76, 78 volts.